The power of mind mapping for creativity.
Mind mapping is a powerful visual tool that helps spark creative thinking and connect ideas. By organizing thoughts in a non-linear way, it encourages new perspectives and solutions. Whether you're brainstorming for a project, planning a story, or solving a complex problem, mind mapping offers a flexible structure to unlock your most innovative ideas.
How to start a mind map.
Begin by placing your main idea or question at the center of a blank page. From this central point, draw branches outward to represent related themes, keywords, or thoughts. Don't worry about order. Let your imagination flow. Use colors, shapes, or symbols to highlight connections and create a visually engaging structure that stimulates creative thinking.
Branching out, expanding your ideas.
Expand each branch by adding subtopics, associations, or details. This second level often reveals hidden connections and opens new paths to explore. For example, if your main idea is business growth, branches might include marketing, technology, and customer service, with sub-branches that detail specific tactics or opportunities.
Maximizing creative breakthroughs.
Inject variety and energy into your mind map by using visual triggers, such as doodles, icons, or unique lettering. Allow yourself to capture random thoughts and even wild ideas. The less you censor yourself during this process, the more likely you are to discover original, innovative solutions that might otherwise remain hidden.
Mind mapping in everyday life.
Mind mapping isn't just for professionals or creative projects. Use it to plan your week, outline goals, or organize travel plans. The technique adapts to any situation where you want to generate ideas, see new perspectives, or clarify your thinking, making it a valuable habit for anyone seeking to enhance creativity and productivity.